Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself, Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. In this video series, we are discussing about the charting swing trading scanner. So here in this video also, we are going to create one more swing trading opportunities. And by using a charting scanner that I'm going to create with this particular customized indicator, which I'm going to create for a pattern which is on bottom reversal. That is what is swing trading. So like some stocks which I'm going to get it by using this swing scanner, which I'm showing you. One of the scanner is about Indalgo. So after this downtrend, so we find then a reversal opportunity by this area around 26. So we are not going to filter many stocks by this using. So to reduce the number of stocks and opportunity may be given monthly 2 stocks, 3 stocks, that's good enough for a swing trading kind of strategies which will help us. So such a kind of thing only we can create. Already we have created one more swing trading scanner which is having a good result and good response too. And thanks for your supporting my channel and subscribing the channel. One more kind of strategy and the scan which I'm going to create in this video. And again, I'll tell you, so if you want to access my premium scanner, there is a chargeable. So I'm not providing you the scanner at any point or anywhere, but simply I just uploading on this on our my premium Telegram group. Okay. So if you were really interested, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number. Or else just if you know how to create it, just follow the steps to create the scanner, which you can very simply create this one. So let me start how to create this and how to find out such a kind of trade opportunities by using a charting scanner. Simply I'm going to create mix it with the doji candle and also by the candle size, so it's very important. That is what the modification which I have done in this scanner, because already we have created a lot of doji kind of thing. And here this doji which we are going to use in a different way. So how to create it for beginners and those who are known already, I will show this how to create daily close must be greater than one or few lines which I used for customized one. Okay, so we can use for this, will find out on a doji kind of thing. So we can daily open minus, we can use some bracket value open into, so this value where I'm just going to add this value open multiplied by a number. So this will give you can adjustable one. Okay, so normally use very low value to get a very tight range of pattern or tight range of doji candle kind of thing. Okay, so here if you are modifying this, you will be getting many stocks, and if you are reducing this, you will be getting very few stocks that I will show you after creating the scanner. Okay, so and then a daily close, same thing which I'm going to use it, and simply go for the closing price. That should be less than, in this case, less than or equal to again the open price, the same thing. And I'm just going to add here. So previously we have minus and here is the addition. Okay, so that's a formula which we are adding here to find the exact pattern on this particular stocks. This will help us to find a doji kind of thing. So 0.003. Okay, so this will help you find out the doji kind of. Look at this of Punjab National Bank and HCL Technologies and Coromandel and HDFC Bank. So these are all the stocks which forming a doji candle. If you are using these two lines only, it will be working for a doji like a PNB, HCL Technologies, and PNB. It's a perfect doji. But what happened in this case? This doji which is happening at the highest level. So that we need to understood. So where the doji is happen, it is happening on highest level. So we don't want to take a highest level doji. So we are looking for the trend at the bottom. So previously we have PNB hammer that was working well. And if you look at this, the doji which is happening at the highest level, it may not be a trend continuation, it may be a trend reversal like that. After recovering from 70 to 76, almost nearby 10%, nearby 8 to 10%, and again doji forms maybe a trend reversal. That should be possible. So I always prefer for a swing trading that should be happen in the lowest level, and before that we are looking for a there is a trend. So if your market is very flat, that time also we will be finding out lot of trend reversal candle like doji, hammer, spinning top kind of thing. So to avoid that, we need to follow the prior to that, which must be a trending one, either in an uptrend or a downtrend. In this case, we are looking for a downtrend. So after a downtrend, if you find out any reversal candle, that should be. But you look at this particular doji candle, so the higher wick as well as lower wick, both are equal. Both it looks like a same. If you are looking at the wick of this the candle, so both it's looking at the same with the equal gap. So maybe who win this candle we can't easily identify. But here in this case, like market went higher up to this point, but one point of the time it started a reverse from the top level and the huge rejection from the top side. Maybe a selling pressure like that we should find out. Here market moves down to the maximum to the low of 67 and finally it closed with the green, so huge price rejection in the bottom, so maybe it giving you or leading to the trend reversal. So such a pattern which you are looking for are very important to find out that one. And that is what the main importance, like SL Tech and HDFC Bank, something like which forming a doji candle today. And if you want to check, you can check. This is also doji. And if you look at this, the market trend on this particular stock is very flat. The flat market also we can expect doji spinning top kind of thing, that is a reversal kind. Trending market are trending also we can see that at the highest level or lowest level of the trend, that it acts as a trend reversal. But if it is happening at the average, that is a range bound trend, it may not be valid. So how do we filter out this? So this is what a condition which we can simply create the doji one, and how we can add this customized indicator which I've already used on our previous swing trading scanner. That is what the candle, and that should be multiplied by number 0.4. So this will also be a value which we can increase and decrease to get a more number of stocks or less number of stocks. We can decide how many stocks which we are going to want it. Open minus close. So this will help us to find out some stocks. So if you are doing that, I will finding HDFC, Coromandel, and PNB will not be there. What is happening here? HDFC Bank. So let me go for HDFC Bank. What is happening here? So look at this higher wick and the lower wick. So if you understood, the wick is slightly higher compared to the higher wick. So if I am using that greater than, here the candle size must be greater than, if you are using, so we may not get any stocks. Okay, so we need to save this first to get the backtest result. We are always saving as a test. Once it is completed, then we can give a name for this, and you can see many stocks which is happening here. So like in this one, anywhere DLF, so on 7. So DLF, you can see this is a 7th to body. Okay, and now so we have a more important condition, that is what the trend. Okay, so I'm just going with the low and must be less than or must be equal to minimum duration value which we are going to use it. So minimum duration is nothing about low. Yeah, so 1 day ago. So if you are looking at if any stocks will be filtered, I think no stocks would be filtered. So here it should be less than equal. Yeah, we got it now. So this is what a exact condition which you are looking for. Another swing trading scanner which I'm planning with this candle pattern. Recently we created, that is working well, and now you can see here the stock and second number is in India. So let me go for an India Mart. Look at this in India Mart at this point, 2nd November. So here what happened? It is happening on the downtrend. After the downtrend, we find out here, and there is a reversal, and the body of the candle comparing to the higher wick, the lower wick is slightly higher. So that is what the main important. Here also you can look at the same pattern which forms at this point, but at that time the high of that particular candle is not broken. So how to find out? So that it is a daily EOD scanner which I'm looking for an EOD basis, end of the day basis. Okay, so after the day or after the market close, we get a stocks EOD scanner. Okay, end of the day scanner. So after market close only we can get the stocks, and this is what may be a one more opportunity. But the lows, previous lows less than this one, so maybe it is not filtered by our scanner. But you can look at this, the lower wick comparatively higher wick, so it made a low and a huge rejection. So maybe if it is breaks a move, we can expect some higher side. Same like that which is happening, but here the low condition which is satisfied, so that will be shown on our scanner. So here the high which you are looking for and the recent low which we can keep as a stop, and after this breakout that was giving you some swing. Okay, so that is the reason we are looking at the pattern which is happening at the lowest level. So India modern second, only few scanners you can look at this Navin Fluoride and 3010. Very few, only if you are looking at many times we are not getting a stocks 30th Navin Fluoride after the downtrend. So we are looking at this bottom. So once it is giving you the breakout on next trading session, because we are getting this list of stocks at the end of the day only. So after getting the stocks, we need to plan for to high up that particular candle to break and keep a low as our stop loss. We can keep some buffer from below the low and maybe working better for uh, the kind of swing trades. Okay, so only for example, if you are 9 months trading result 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stocks will be there. So monthly one stocks for those who are planning for a monthly trades. McDowell and 29.9. So United Spirit 29.9, 26 October where it is showing you 29.9. So maybe here is the point where it is at 29.9. Okay, so at this point, not given you the breakout in few days, but after that, around 4 days later, it given you the breakout from 1000 and it went up to maximum towards the 1098. So this is what an expected, which based on the scanner. And even if it is triggers your stop loss also, that will be still available. For example, if this is the candle, initially it breaks the low, but still it mentioning the candle here. Okay, and that is called a repaint or that is what repaint means. Once you are seeing the scanner will be there, and after sometimes later it will be not available. So TCS 2510, only few stocks, and maybe here at this point, but the high of that particular candle is not broken, so we don't get an entry opportunity in this one. And TCS, I think I'm just discussing about how to use and Coal India and 1.6. Okay, so only few stocks which we got it. Coal India 1.6 where it is. Yeah, you can see this. But in this case, it may be a stop loss trade. Initially, it triggers your breakout point around 231 and maybe triggers your stop loss around 229. So it's a stop loss kind of trade, but still that particular day, the pattern which forms and it is satisfying other condition it stores, and whether it is entered and stop loss, it's still showing. So we can believe this is as a good backtest result. And if you want to get some more opportunities and you can increase the values, maybe I already told you, na? So this is what adjustments, so which we can in doing with the scanner, and we'll be getting. So look at this, we get a lot of stocks maybe. So recently we have some stocks like Cummins India we are making, but it does not looks like a thing. So the Cummins India, when did we got it? Around 111. Maybe here there is a good swing opportunity. So you can decide how many trades you want. So at this point, 30th October, Bajaj Finance, M&M and Navin Fluoride. I think M&M today performed well. Whether on this particular day, which is happening good or bad. So 30th October, you can see 30th October. Exactly, yeah. Exactly that pattern which is happening, but the high is not broken. So the high is broken only today. That's one more thing. Bajaj Finance and Navin Fluoride and 30th one. So Navin Fluoride already we see in the same amount and here in Bajaj Finance. You can see here, and still it is not triggered your stop loss. Maybe it entry got triggered on this time of 30th October. Still the stock is available here on the list. So if you want to increase the values and decrease the values, it depends on your conditions. You can make a increase or decrease in this values. So that will help you to find out more stocks also. Or instead of that 0.03, you can go for 5. Maybe initially we have only 9 stocks now, so maybe this time around 10 or 12 stocks we can able to get it. You can see so slightly higher number of stocks. Maybe recent things, Ken November, India Mart, which are already discussed about the thing. This time Bajaj Finance on 30th, which is already we studied, and here Indalco on 2610 that we are not discussing. Indalco 2016, yeah, that is one more thing. So you need to find out the change over here, so how much you want, and this is what the main conditions which are added here. It's about a customized one. So by using this line, so we can easily find the things, and this is what our logic scanners which I have created right now for our positional swing trading at the bottom. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session, and thank you for joining. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you have any other questions or a doubt also, just ping me on the chat box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.